Hello everybody! It's very cold outside and I'm hungry for something sweet and warm. So I decided to make sweet taro rice pudding with coconut milk. Let's do it! I have here one piece of taro and it's about 700 grams. 2/3 of a cup sticky rice, 1 cup of sugar, 1 can of coconut milk, salt and tapioca. I soak the rice in water for about 30 minutes before cooking. Remove taro skin. Cut it into small cubes, about half an inch. And I'm going to wash it. After washing, I put it in a ceramic bowl, cover it and cook it in microwave for 3 minutes. Add to the pot 2 cups of water. And then I add the sticky rice. The taro, after 3 minutes cooking in microwave, I take it out and I mix it. It's very hot, so be very careful. Wrap it again and cook for another 3 minutes. For the rice, when the water boils like this, I lower the heat to simmer and cook for 10 more minutes. Open the coconut can and give it a mix. The taro, after a total of 6 minutes cooking in microwave, it's now 90% cooked. When the rice becomes like this, I'll add the taro. Mix it, but be very careful because you don't want to break the taro cubes. Cook it for another 5 minutes. While waiting, I'll prepare the coconut milk. In a small pot, I add 200 milliliters of coconut milk, 1/4 of a cup sugar, and 1/4 of teaspoon salt. Mix it until the sugar is melted. Add to a cup 1 tablespoon of tapioca and 2 tablespoons of cold water. Mix it and add it slowly to the pot. Stir it for a few seconds. Back to the rice. I refill the coconut can with water and I add it to the pot. Add half of a cup sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, gently mix it and cook it for 2 more minutes. And now it's ready. I put the taro and the rice pudding first, and then I'll add the coconut milk on the top. So yummy! I can't wait to taste it.